Hi, old lady. Hi. Look at you. Give me that. Give me that wood. Oh, what? Oh, lady. Oh, lady. Come here, old lady. Come here. Hi, old lady. Hi, old lady. Hey, old lady. What's wrong? Huh? Are you jealous? I gotta see my other dog, too. Coco. Come here, Coco. Come here. Come here. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here, girl. Oh, wait. Ah. 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 Lady. Lady. A lady. A lady. It's my baby. It's my little Coco. It's my Coco. Dang, girl, you're 15. As old as me. It is. That is surprising. I got this done. He's only 1. She's 15. And she's still going. That is surprising. I really. No. Let go. Let go. Okay, you get it. Hey, let go. Let go. Let go. Hey, look at that sucker teeth. Give it. Give it. Hey, you want the stick? Oh, hi, old lady. How you doing? Hey. Get the stick. Get your stick. Old lady. Hi. Hi, old lady. What you doing today, Mamash? Hi, Coco. That's my dog, Coco. She's 15. A 15-year-old girl. She's chubby. Aw, heck. Hi, Coco. Hi. Hi, Coco. Hey, calm down. Hi, Coco. Hi, my little girl. Hi, Coco. You're such an old lady. And can I please talk to your sister? Please. Hey, old lady. Look at how beautiful you are. Never seen a more beautiful dog. I love you, Coco. I love you. I love you so much. I love you. I love you too, dog.